What are you doing today?
So I'm remove all the bolt. So here, yeah, all the bolt I have to remove.
Yeah.
Then that wood, and then cut the shape and then put it there. With all the bolt, screw the bolt. Okay, that's all my work.
The work for today.
Yeah.
So this is what we are doing. This is the wood that he bought yesterday. In the meantime, I was making a chocolate cake. I'm going to eat soon. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. How's your cake?
Are you going to eat?
Not now.
No?
No, I cannot eat now.
Okay, I make coffee, so I'm going to take coffee.
Let it
and
cool down first.
Yeah, they say 10 minutes, so I'm going to eat soon. What happened? Poor doggy. She has to be in the leash. For cutting the paper, you need help?
Yeah, so I can eat cake and you cut in paper.
I'm going to eat cake. I don't know. When are you going? When are you planning to eat cake?
Whenever you want.
So I can cut paper meanwhile we are both eating cake. So it's difficult to differentiate if it is like burnt cake or not because it's chocolate, but it's okay. So far that has been my contribution. I had to work a little bit more with the car, I guess. Wait, do you want coffee? No? Okay. It's ugly. Hopefully it tastes good.
Okay. We need one. Just put there and.
It seems good luck's finally on my side. She pulls the sheets off of me every night. Whispers my name, tells the sun to rise. Yeah, she brings me back to life. I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need.
We can cut this. Can you cut this one?
Yeah, I can, but
Wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me. Carve our names into that old oak tree, buzzing with song just like the birds and the bees. Years from now, we'll come back and see.
what problem do you see?
Oh, it's the point. Oh, yeah. This cable messed me up. This cable need to let it go. Yeah,
So
that
this
cut is perfect cut I ever see.
It's good.
Yeah.
Now we can put the drawers.
Okay, got more things delivered. I don't know. I opened the garage and someone delivered things into my garage. The bottom bigger one is the fridge. This one, I don't know what it is. That's a big thing. This is awning for the car, make the shade of the car. Excellent. This is the cam. I think it's the cotton of the shade. And this one. This one, I have no idea. Okay, let's see how many packages I have. Stocking. This is all my things stocking here. Wow, a lot. So right now we find the place to put the fridge. Fridge is 31. Right now I'm thinking, use that windows as axis windows. The fridge wasn't facing this way. The LED to LED open there, open this way. You probably looking for open that much.
And
but
you have the
two
car.
way to open windows and this door.
But I'm just saying, like, if you want to access that window, means that the LED will open this like this, right?
Yeah.
So when you come here out, you open like this, and you have this bothering you.
That's the thing, you know.
What about if we get rid of the first drawer here?
So you put your burner and your utensil, where you gonna put?
In the other drawer.
Put it here, and then you have no.
I mean, yeah, less drawers, I know.
Okay, so we get rid of the first drawer, yeah?
Yeah. Can we put a fridge there to see how it works?
This is a cooler. Cooler is smaller. I think maybe the battery can be done here. So the battery that. Yeah, I think it's doable. I just realized we have to insulate this thing, otherwise it will be too loud and too hot or too cold. I bought insulate, they'll come in next week. So we have to remove everything and put insulate all of them. How you can open if you put the drawer here? So you have to slide out.
Yeah, you have to slide it out.
You cannot, you just cannot put it inside. You cannot open inside.
Maybe you're driving and want to sandwich. No, you cannot have it.
You cannot exist here, you're sitting there.
No, exchange with her. Okay, yes, it's true. You cannot. You have to stop. I think it's okay. Right, now we are going to have lunch that has been in the fridge for 3 days.
Okay, today we're going to replace the tossing bar. And that's all my things for fix the car. And our spring coil. And the one over here. Yep. Oh, it's snowing. Snowing. Yeah, snowing day today. Because it's a lifting kick, I have to measure the height of the my suspension system. So the front wheel, take a picture, so don't, in case I forgot the number. Okay, we're going to pick up the car, so the car is done. We fixed the suspension. Okay, we have our car. We got it done. So what they did, they put some the shock, and they changed the rod. This is new rod. They changed this one. Yeah, you see the yellow part is new shock absorber. Yeah, this side too, and they also extend this one because it's shorter, So this one is longer, so they can lift this car. So it's 1 inch and a quarter lift. Yeah, looking nice. Okay, so the handling is better. I think it's much better, the handling. Yeah, it's so smooth. It's like it was all over everywhere. Right now, it's good. I think it's worth to have this lift kit.